Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best helmet cameras that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Xilecam Mini 1080p Card Helmet Camera. The Xilecam Mini Body Camera offers a lightweight and compact way to record everyday moments, sports activities, and travel adventures. This camera, often called a thumb camera, is easy to carry due to its small build and simple operation. Its white body weighs only 26 grams, allowing users to place it on different items such as backpacks, pets, helmets, or vehicles without adding noticeable weight. This action camera supports video and audio recording and captures clear footage in high-definition resolution. It uses a CMOS sensor and stores files in AVI format. With a battery life that supports continuous shooting for nearly 3 hours, this body cam is a helpful tool for long sessions without constant charging. The included 32GB memory card provides enough storage to save hours of video content. The device also supports loop recording, which ensures that new clips replace older ones once the space is full. For users who want to expand memory, external storage up to 128GB can be added. A magnetic design offers creative ways to attach the camera securely, and several accessories are provided to help with mounting. Whether attached to a helmet or a skateboard, this camera helps record high-motion activities with stability. The included card reader helps users transfer footage directly to Type-C smartphones or computers, supporting faster editing and sharing. The Xilecam Mini Body Camera is built for convenience, ease of use, and reliable performance during outdoor or daily use. In our list, the number 2 product name is VSYSTO HD 1080p Wi-Fi Helmet Camera. The VSYSTO Wi-Fi Helmet Camera offers a portable and powerful way to record outdoor rides for cycling and motorcycle users. Its compact black body contains a CMOS sensor that captures high-definition video in MP4 format. The built-in wireless connection allows users to sync the device with mobile applications, making it simple to preview and share recordings without removing the memory card. This action camera supports a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees, helping capture more scenery and traffic details while riding. Its waterproof build allows use in different weather conditions, including rain, without concern. With night vision supported by Starlight technology, the camera delivers usable footage in low-light settings. The remote controller can be mounted on the handlebar, letting riders operate the camera without stopping. The red and blue buttons offer quick access to functions like image capture or wireless connection. The rechargeable battery supports around 120 minutes of use when not connected to wireless mode. Loop recording helps manage storage by overwriting old files when full. A built-in gravity sensor adds safety by detecting sudden impacts and saving emergency files automatically, which are protected from being deleted by regular overwriting. The camera supports up to 256GB of external storage. With no complicated wiring, installation is simple, making it suitable for beginners. The VSYSTO Wi-Fi helmet camera serves as a practical travel companion that helps outdoor riders document their routes while staying hands-free and alert. In our list, the number 3 product name is LKT Dual 2K Action Helmet Camera. The LKT Dual 2K Action Camera is built for outdoor riders who want to capture their journey from multiple angles. This blue helmet camera records both front and rear views in sharp 2K resolution, helping create full coverage while on the move. With a compact body and easy mounting, it works well for motorcycle trips, bike rides, and other high-speed outdoor adventures. The camera includes a remote control that lets users lock important clips or take snapshots without touching the device directly. This function helps riders focus on their path while still saving the scenes they want to keep. Loop recording allows the camera to reuse space on the storage card, while locked videos remain safe from automatic deletion. Wireless connection to mobile devices is available through the built-in module. Users can open the Xilecam application to view or edit footage directly from their phones. This feature supports sharing trip highlights with others without removing the storage card or connecting cables. An external tracking system records the rider's location, route, and speed, adding extra detail to each video. The collected data can be reviewed later to remember the path taken or share the journey more accurately. The built-in battery provides recording for several hours. An additional time can be added using a power bank through a Type-C port. This lightweight sports camera from LKT is designed to capture outdoor moments clearly and make storage, sharing, and playback as simple as possible for riders and travelers. In our list, the number 4 product name is INNOVV H5 4K Action Helmet Camera. The INNOVV H5 4K Action Camera is built to support outdoor riders and travelers who want to capture high-quality footage during movement. This gray helmet-mounted camera records ultra-high-definition video and captures 20-megapixel images, providing clarity in fast-paced environments. Its design fits motorcycle use, but also suits other adventure activities where stable video is important. This camera includes electronic image stabilization, which helps reduce shaking and keeps visuals smooth while riding. Its wide-angle lens allows more scenery to be captured without needing extra adjustments, making each recording more complete and immersive. With loop recording active, the device continues saving new files by overwriting the oldest, ensuring non-stop coverage without manual deletion. The H5 camera supports wireless connection through smart application access. This option allows users to preview, transfer, and edit content directly from their smartphones, helping manage clips without removing the memory card. The system supports external storage of up to 512 GB, allowing extended video capture over long rides. Power delivery is flexible, with 2 supply methods to match different situations. Whether connected through a fixed line or supported by an external source, the camera stays ready for use. Its body is designed to handle rain and wet conditions, helping riders continue filming even in bad weather. With a strong focus on performance, flexibility, and storage, the INNOVV H5 4K Action Camera helps motorcycle riders document their routes clearly and manage video with ease during travel or daily rides. In our list, the number 5 product name is VSYSTO Wi-Fi HD 1080p Helmet Camera. The VSYSTO helmet camera is made for riders who want to record their journey with ease. This black dash camera captures full high-definition footage with a wide-angle lens that helps include more of the surroundings in every video. Whether attached to a bicycle or motorcycle, it supports clear recording during movement and in low-light conditions. The built-in detection system starts recording automatically when motion is sensed. If no movement is found within a few minutes, the device turns off to save power. This helps users avoid the need for manual control while on the road. It records continuously using loop mode and replaces the oldest files when storage fills up. Important events are saved by the built-in sensor and are protected from deletion. This helmet camera includes wireless connectivity, making it easy to connect with a smartphone. With the proper application, users can view, edit, and share their videos directly from their mobile device without needing to remove the memory card. The Type-C charging system helps recharge the battery quickly and allows file transfers when connected to a computer or other device. Compact in size, the VSYSTO camera fits securely on helmets using included adhesive options and can be installed without extra tools. The waterproof build makes it useful in different weather conditions. This portable recording tool is built for users who enjoy biking, motorcycling, or outdoor travel and want to document their experiences without heavy equipment or complex setup. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.